Bamboo could be the next best thing for residents of Rodriguez Rizal. That's according to Rizal Representative Fidel Nograles as he led the Save Our Forest Now movement on the second leg of planting bamboo along the riverbanks and mountain in Barangay Mascap. More than 500 youth participated in planting at least 1,000 bamboo saplings. The number of participants doubled compared to the project's maiden activity in December 2020. Save Our Forest Now was launched in the wake of Typhoon Ulysses. Nograles plans to provide skills training to residents who wish to generate income from bamboo. The Harvard-trained lawyer already met with Shed Chair Popoy de Vera on the possibility of setting up a bamboo research and development center in URS Montalban. Nograles proposed producing kitchen utensils from bamboo like spoon, fork, chopstick, and straw.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.